In this series, we'll be talking about the laws of logarithm. So the logarithm has some laws. The first is the addition law. Addition law. This means that if you have log, say log x base a plus log y base a, the result will be log xy base a. It means that if you have two logs that are adding themselves, the result will be the product of those two functions. So, for example, you have e.g. if, say, log 4 base 10 plus log 25 base 10 is equal to, you take the product, is equal to log base 10 4 multiplied by 25, which is log 100 base 10. How do we find the meaning of log 100 base 10? We come here. It says that you do it this way: log 100 base 10 is the same thing as log 10 raised to the power of 2 base 10, which is 2 log 10 base 10. Log 10 base 10 is equal to 1. So you have 2 times 1, which is equal to 2. So it then means that log 100 base 10 is equal to 2. We have the subtraction law 2. Subtraction law. The subtraction law states that if you have a function log, say log x a plus log y a, since they have the same base, minus log y a, that the result will be log x all over y base a. That if you have two functions subtracting themselves, that the result will be 1 dividing the other one. So for example, if we have example, if we say log log 28 base 4 minus log 14 base 4, that the resultant will be log 28 all over 14 base 4, which is equal to log if this cancel this, we get 2. And log 2 base 4 is equal to 1 all over 2. The reason is because if you have log 4 here and you have 2, which is equal to x, it means that 4 raised to the power of x is equal to 2. So 2 raised to the power of 2x is equal to 2 raised to the power of 1. So this will cancel this. We have 2x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 all over 2. So x is half. That is why log 2 base 4 is equal to half. We also have the power law. The power law, which is number 3. The power law states that if you have, say, log n raised to the power of x base a, that the resultant will now be x will go over to this side to give us log n base a. So if you have, example, if you have, say, log 8 raised to the power of 3 base 2, the resultant will now give us 3 log 8 raised to the power of 2. You now find out what is log 8 base 2. Log 8 base 2 is equal to x. 2 raised to the power of x is equal to 8. 2 raised to the power of x is equal to 2 raised to the power of 3. So this will cancel this to give us x to be equal to 3. So it means that we have this to be 3 log, the whole of this will give us 3. So our answer will now be 3 times 3, which we got from here, which is 9. So that is for that. We have power of a base, which is the number 4th law, power of a base. The power of a base states that if you have a log a squared x, when it is the base that have the power, as it's going all over this other side, the reciprocal will now become what you use in multiplying the log itself. So the power, as it's going over to this side, it turns to the reciprocal of this log. So we take an example. If we say log 2 raised to the power of 3, 16. The result will be 1 all over 3, as the base, the power of the base is going all over to this other side, log 2, 16, which is the same thing as 1 all over 3 log 2 raised to the power of 4 base 2. So this 4 will be going over to this side to give us 4 multiplied by 1 all over 3 log 2 base 2. Log 2 base 2 is equal to 1. The whole of this is equal to 1. So we have this as 4 all over 3. We also have the 5th law, which is logarithm to its own base. Logarithm to its own base. Any log to its own base, say log a base a is equal to 1. For example, log 10 base 10 is equal to 1. Log 3 base 3 is equal to 1, and so on. We have the 6th law. The 6th law is logarithm of 1. Logarithm of 1. The log of 1 to any base is 0. That is, log 1 base a is equal to 0. For example, if we have log 1 base 10 is equal to x, say x, then 10 raised to the power of x is equal to 1. 10 raised to the power of x, we make this 10 raised to the power of 0. Because 10 raised to anything raised to the power of 0 is 1. So 10 here will cancel 10. X is equal to 0. We also have the reciprocal law. Number 7. The reciprocal. The reciprocal law states that if you have, say, log ax, the result will give us log a base x. That is to say, for example, if you have log 8 base 4, the same thing as 1 all over log 4 base 8. And lastly, we have this is the seventh law. The eighth law. The end it up, which is change of base 8. Change of base. The change of base law. The change of base law states that if you have log x base a, if this base is to change, it turns to log x base n all over log a base n. So these are the laws of logarithm.